Hey everyone, let us check out the Skechers Women's Go Walk Joy sneaker in taupe size 7. These slip-on shoes feature 5th-gen technology and a Goga Max insole for superior comfort. The breathable athletic mesh upper keeps your feet cool and fresh all day long. Designed with a sleek silhouette, they effortlessly fit your active lifestyle needs. You will love that these vegan-friendly sneakers are crafted without any animal products. Plus, the machine washable design makes cleanup an absolute breeze. Grab your pair today and elevate your daily walking experience. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.